Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use Linktree. Here you can go and type Linktree, and this is the website where you can add different links. So first of all you need to create a free account. You can also check pricing for different packages, and after that now you can go here and add your email. So let me copy it and then add here, then click on continue button, and here you can add username. So let me go and add the username, this one, then click on continue button, and here you can select one of this option, creator, business and personal. So I want to select this one, then click on continue button and skip. Here you can see these are the different packages. Scroll down and I want to go with free package. Now here you can select the template. So let me go and select one of the template, this one, then start with template. Now here you can see different platforms that you can easily add. So first of all I want to add YouTube, then click on continue button, and here you can add YouTube username. So if I go here, here you can see this one is my YouTube channel username. Just I can copy it, and after that add here, then click on continue button, and now it is finding content. So it will automatically extract YouTube channel logo and information. Here you can see this one, display name, bio and everything, and click on continue button. Okay, here you can see Pinterest account. So this is also a suggestion. Okay, after that click here, build my link tree. And now let's see how you can add your website link. So this one is my website link. Let me copy it and go back, click on add button, and here you can add URL, then click on add. Now if I scroll down, here you can see this one, edit, and it has got all the data and all the information from the URL. So in this way you can easily add different links on Linktree.